Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel Online Khan Market. Are you searching for the best SSC coaching in your city Indore? Then you should definitely watch this video till the end as I'll be discussing with you top 7 institutes for best SSC preparations in your city Indore. Before beginning the video, kindly subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon below. So without any further delay, let us move to the video. At rank 1, we have Plutus Academy. Plutus Academy is one of the largest growing online coaching class in India. Study materials and video classes are best which this institute provides. Further, Plutus Academy provides best and updated study material to the students. It provides coaching which is available with recorded lectures and video facilities. Plutus Academy has experts and well-experienced faculty. In addition to this, online test series provided by the Academy is completely a best test series. Rank 2, we have The Hindu Zone Coaching. The Hindu Zone arranges demos of the preferred coachings by the students. Their investment is precious to you as well as to them. You will be assigned with a mentor for the whole year who will guide you the approach towards examination. Also, in choosing right study material, evaluation of test series or any other doubt you want to discuss, you can do that freely. They will assure you to take the right path and help you in reaching your goal. You can connect to the institute by going to their website, which is www.thehinduzone.com. Many students are in mere confusion about where to invest, which will be the best academies for them, where they will get the exact quality of education they are looking for. So, the Hindu Zone provides completely free of cost counseling session. Yes, you heard it right. The Hindu Zone listen to the requirements of the students, their area of concerns, and then the expert mentors advise them the top institutes according to their needs. Moving towards our rank 3 institute, we have Mahendra's Institute. The address of Mahendra's Institute in Indore includes number 9147 second floor, Oasis Point Complex, Sapna Sangeeta Road, Chauraha, Transport Nagar, Indore 452008. The contact number is 07581800951. Now let us talk about the website and the fee structure. So the website of the institute is www.mahendrainstitute.com and their fee structure includes rupees 8,500. At rank 4, we have Pinnacle Career Institute. The address of Pinnacle Career Institute includes first floor, The Heritage, Mahatma Gandhi Road, opposite Indraprasth Tower, New Palacia, Indore, Madhya Pradesh 452001. The contact number of Pinnacle Career Institute is 09039055453. Okay, now let us talk about the website, Google ratings and the fee structure. So, the website of the institute is www.pinnacle.edu.in and the Google review of the institute includes 4.6 star out of 5. Now let us talk about the fee structure. So, the course fee in the Pinnacle Career Institute is a sum of rupees 10,500. Down to our rank 5 institute, we have Career Launcher Institute. The address of Career Launcher Institute in Indore is 315 3rd floor, Tukoganj Nath Mandir Road, Indore 52001. The contact number is 9188821212. The email ID of the institute includes support@careerlauncher.com. Friends, now let us talk about the website and the fee structure. So, the website of the institute is www.careerlauncher.com and the fee structure of the institute includes a sum of rupees 7,000. At rank 6, we have Kautilya Academy. The address of Kautilya Academy includes number 4 Professors Colony, Bhavan Square, Manorama Ganj, Indore 52001. The contact number of the institute is 0731426821 and 942506821. Now let us talk about the email ID, website and the fee structure. So, the email ID of the institute is kautilyaacademy@gmail.com and the website of the institute includes www.kautilyaacademy.com. The fee structure of the institute includes a sum of rupees 9,000. So friends, the last institute we'll be discussing in this video, which is also a rank 7 institute, is PS Academy. The address of PS Academy includes 3rd floor, Ranawat Center, Bhavan Square, Manorama Ganj, Indore 452001. The contact number is 9826076466. Okay, now let us talk about the email ID, website, and the fee structure. So, the email ID of PS Academy is info@psacademy.co.in, and the website of the institute is www.psacademy.co.in. Okay, the fee structure of the institute includes a sum of rupees 8,000.